guys, it finally happened. I was able to upgrade my phone to the iPhone 12 product red. Here's my old iPhone XR product red. Big fan of going product red just for the simple fact of they give a donation for medical research. So let's open this up. And I wanted to make this video so people can actually see what it's like having this new phone, switching over to this new phone here and see how it actually happens and how easy it is. Oh man, look at that phone. It looks awesome. It does not look like red though at all. It looks more like a pinkish color. Alright, but here's so this much smaller package. I'm sure most of you guys already know that it is a no power block at all given now. It's only just a cable, which looks like to me it's a USB-C cable. Yep, USB-C to lightning cable, which is pretty cool. I can now use my power brick for my iPad. That's nice. Little documents here. Okay, SIM card remover. Alright, those look awesome. Alright, well, let's see what it's like. Very cool. Let's power it up. Unfortunately, I don't have my screen protector yet for it. I'll be getting it real soon. Alright. Alright, we'll set this all up here. Alright, quick start. Bring your phone to another iPhone. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, we have to enter that code on this one now. Alright. The update's finally getting finished here, and it's going to install it now. So this took about 5 minutes or so to download on my Wi-Fi. I'm just waiting for it to boot up now and install the update, and then finally it'll pull all my data from my other iPhone, and I'll be good to go. So I'll cut back when it gets past this part. So you can't really tell, but there's this tiny fade of an Apple logo with ever just so slightly of a progress bar. And I could barely even tell it was on, but it looks like everything finally transferred over, and it's should be able to be used in just a minute. I'll put my case on here. Oh, look at that. That was quick. Went from not even halfway done to all the way done. That's awesome. All right, let's see. And there you go. iPhone is up and running. So I'll have to give it a shot and see what else I have to set up. Probably my credit cards and a few other apps I need to download now. I will have to see how this goes, wait for all the updates, and then see how I feel about it. And again, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm sure you'll love the iPhone. I've had heard some great reviews, which is the reason why I decided to upgrade now. And they have some great trade-in options, so I'll give it a shot, and I'll report back if I have any issues. But hopefully this helped you out a little bit. Unfortunately, a lot of it wasn't captured just because a lot of it just had my personal information on it that went out there in the world. like my cell phone number and some other information. But realistically speaking, it was very straightforward. Just had it copy over from my iPhone. Just took a couple minutes. It was really easy, and I think it just makes it a little bit easier if you just simply backed up your phone just before you did this. But hopefully this was helpful and seeing how easy it is to upgrade to the new iPhone. And let me know in the comments if you had as easy as a update that I did.